Here's the update from April 5th of this year. Clubhouse app has finally allowing payments to the creators. It's their first monetization feature for creators on Clubhouse. They have partnered with Stripe to allow for this service. All users will be able to send payments starting April 5th, and they will be rolling out the ability to receive payments in waves, starting with a small test group. So how the payments will work. To send a payment in Clubhouse, just tap on a profile of a creator, but be careful, this person has to have that feature enabled. And if they have that, you would see the option to send money, and you would just click on that. You would then enter the amount you would like to send them. The first time you do this, you will be asked to register a credit or debit card. And the 100% of the payment will go to the creator. The person sending the money will also be charged a small card processing fee, which will go directly to the payment processing partner, which is Stripe. And Clubhouse app will take nothing from you. So this will be the first of many features that allow creators to get paid directly on Clubhouse.